Hello everyone, this is Ovik Samanto from Plant Excel. Want to present the POC of our topic Automated Portable Natural Air Purifier. All of we know that in today's world we are all living inside the houses and generally closed rooms, and it is estimated that in our different closed rooms like library, kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, and garage produces many toxic chemicals and gases. For example, our bathroom can create carbon dioxide and VOCs, aerosols inside it, and kitchen produces carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, benzene, chloride, and other gases. And living room also can create formaldehyde, asbestos, and radons, and these chemicals are very toxic to our body. And if these chemical exposed to our body to a duration of the given amount can create many health effects, and according to the WHO these health effects are very much impactful for our system. Now, for example, we have taken our city, that is Huldia. We can see that the air quality index is 220, and normally it should be between 0 to 50, and here we can see it is 220, that is much greater than the value which is unhealthy, and health effects are prevalent in these conditions. Now, for the problem we have made a solution. We are proposing a box that will contain the plant. This plant will be capable of converting the carbon dioxide to O2 inside the chamber, and the toxic chemical and gases will be converted by these plants, and the data of how much toxicity they have converted and the condition of the inside system like humidity, temperature, light intensity will be displayed and auto controlled. The system will be made by simple apparatus, but the main goal is to develop the automated way and natural way of purification of air. This plant will be used that we have studied. These particular plants as an indoor plant can absorb different toxic chemicals, and they have different role to detoxify the chemical and gases. In another way, these plants are very much useful for reducing the toxic level of the air. Many people are fond of taking indoor plant inside their house, but there is a problem. In the night condition, this plant produce CO2 and their metabolic rate is became very lower, so that will be negative ill effect for the people. But as our system can control the lightning time and the temperature, so according to our will we can maintain the plant growth and development. So for this problem we have prepared a basic prototype of the system where we put the plants inside the system, and from one way the air will be got inside the system and another way the air will be got outside from the system. And the plants which will be kept, they are capable of detoxifying the toxic agents, and For example, you can see when the system was off, the room O2 condition was 20.9%. But when the system run by 30 minutes, the O2 concentration is 21.4%. So this condition can see that it it at least can act as CO2 O2 converter inside the room, and the air is going inside the system. We can see by the light flame that is going inside. So it is proved that through the air filter, which is 2.5 filter, the air is going inside, and from the outside outflow, the air is going outside. So when in a closed room, the system will run, again the air will come through the filter, and by this process the air will be circulating, and within some time the whole air of the room will be purified. And we have measured the chlorophyll content A, B, and total chlorophyll and carotene, and see that the plants are in well growing condition inside the system. The uniqueness is this plant is cost effective. It can be run through solar system where very less amount of electricity is required for running the system, and it is auto controlled, so no water have to be given every day. So water will be drip irrigated inside the system, and the chamber required less space, and according to the room condition we can make the chamber for the customer. And the market is that who are living in the flat and urban and semi-urban areas, in corporate sectors, and in bank and branches also. We can also keep this system inside a closed rooms. Generally the customer are in the bank for a less period of time, but the worker are in a bank for a much period of time, or a seminar room. We can build this system inside, and it is very aesthetically good looking, so that it can be a home decorator with aesthetic value, and a multi-corporate complex for fresh air we can be used. And if we go at least to the 10% of the market, the size market will be 77 crore at least. When we coming to the application of the system, the basic role of the system, it is a CO2 O2 converter. It can convert the CO2 to O2 and carbon monoxide to O2, and the lighting system is very aesthetically beautifully looking. RGB light will be used for that system, and for different plant also can be kept inside the system according to the need of the room. Which type of chemical toxicity is greater, we will put that type of plant inside. So if the project is successful, we can go and different seminars and present our system, and we think this could be a natural air purifier in a very low cost. Thank you for the listening.